If you're seeing a Beehiiv internal server error, don't worry just yet. In a lot of cases, this is a temporary issue, and you can fix it in just a few minutes without doing anything complicated. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to troubleshoot the problem, from simple refreshes to clearing your browser data and signing back in. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's get into it. First, refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes a 500 error is just a one-time glitch, and a quick reload is enough to get everything working again. If the page still isn't loading properly, wait 1 to 2 minutes and try again. Internal server errors are often caused by temporary server-side issues, so giving it a short break can make all the difference. While you wait, avoid repeatedly clicking refresh too fast, because that usually won't hit help and may just waste time. Next, log out of Beehiiv completely. After that, close all Beehiiv tabs in your browser. This helps reset the current session and clears out any stuck page data that could be causing the issue. Once everything is closed, log back in and check whether the error is gone. If the problem is still showing up, open Beehiiv in an incognito or private window. This is a great troubleshooting step because it lets you test the site without your saved cookies, extensions, or cached session data interfering. If Beehiiv works in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is related to your browser data rather than the platform itself. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored cache files and cookies can become outdated or corrupted, and that can trigger loading problems or login errors. After clearing them, restart your browser completely. This gives your browser a fresh start and removes any lingering session conflicts. Then go back to Beehiiv and try again. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get you back into your account. If the problem continues even after all of that, it's more likely to be on Beehiiv's side, and you may simply need to wait for the service to recover. The good news is that internal server errors are usually temporary, and they often resolve without any long-term issue on your account. I hope this helped you fix the Beehiiv internal server error quickly. If it did, please like the video, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and comment below if you want help with another Beehiiv problem.